What type of life insurance do you need? There are several types of life insurance, but for most people, the major decision is between two types of life insurance: term life insurance and permanent life insurance, such as universal life insurance. There are good arguments in favor of both types of life insurance, and it's really down to the consumer to determine which type of life insurance is best suited to their needs. Term life insurance provides coverage for a given period of time, the term, usually between 10 and 30 years. If the policyholder dies during the term, the insurance company pays a fixed amount to the policyholder's beneficiary. Affordability is one of the biggest selling points of term life insurance, and these policies are also highly customizable for the consumer. Unlike term life insurance, permanent life insurance has no expiry date. With a permanent life insurance policy, the insurance company pays out a benefit upon the policyholder's death. This type of life insurance also has a cash value that can increase over time and be withdrawn or used to secure a loan before the policyholder's death. As a result, premiums are higher for permanent life insurance policies than for term life insurance. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.